911, what's the location of your emergency? What's going on?
My boyfriend, he's got me backed in or trapped in where I can't move my car. He's got his truck up against my car and he won't move. He's been drinking. I'm just trying to leave so I can go to my mother's.
What's your name?
Dawn Cramp.
Your name is Dawn?
Yes.
Cramp?
Yes, Krantz.
What's your phone number, Miss Dawn?
936.
And what's his name?
Mark Smith.
Okay, stay on the phone with you and get someone en route, okay? You're going to hear a brief pause.
Okay.
Away from you, pal. We're open for business. Regular hours at all locations. We're taking extra precautions to keep our customers and employees safe and coronavirus-free. So it's a social distancing, but just don't want to get out. Remember, you can still order on our website, TexasTeachers.com, or call us at 903-565-9336. That's okay.
Okay, Miss Dawn, are you there?
Yeah.
What kind of vehicle is he in?
He's on a 2017 or 18 Ford F-250, dark blue.
And what caused you to want to leave?
Because he's drinking and being belligerent. We have this fire thing going around, and I did not want to go to the lake. He wants to drink. I got out of the vehicle and started walking because I don't want to be. We're not supposed to be out doing stuff like that. We're supposed to be staying at home, wearing a mask. And he wants to just start drinking more and more and more. So I had a mom come pick me up and drive me back to my car. I get outside because I packed me a small bag to go to my mom so he can cool off. And he turns around and he's got me blocked in where I can't even back my car up. And he's actually probably got a ding in it. And I live here.
Okay.
He's not going to be very nice when y'all pull up either.
Do you know if he has any weapons?
I have no idea.
Do you know his date of birth?
His date of birth is
10-4, show you en route to...
He's pushing my car.
I'm 28 myself, 39 and right with him.
10-4, be advised the complainant's pushing her car at this time.
Yeah, he's actually pushing my car.
Okay.
He's telling me I had to get all my shit out now. Which there's no way I can do that. This whole house is full of my stuff.
I'm 28 myself, 39 and right with him.
Yeah, 39. What does your house look like?
You hear him? This is what he's doing.
What does your house look like, Miss Dawn?
It's a brick house.
I can hear him. What kind of vehicle are you in?
I'm in a black 300 Chrysler. He's trying to break my window now.
10-4, I can hear the subject hitting her window at this time.
He's going inside now. His truck's still blocked behind mine. I got inside the car and locked the door because he hit my window.
Just stay right there. I'm going to stay on the phone with you until my deputies get there. They are en route. Will you call Lufkin and check him?
He shouldn't have anything on him. He's drunk, and when he gets like this, he gets very agitated, and I don't like to be around it, so I try to just go to my mom's until he can sober up and be himself again. But I mean, he left his vehicle here behind mine where I can't even move. He's come out with a gun.
One of our responding units complaints advising subject to come out with a gun trying to shoot her car. Can you tell me if it's a handgun or a shotgun?
No, it's a rifle.
That's where we're turning on 842 this time.
10-4, it's going to be a rifle.
He'll use it too because he's got armor piercing in it.
Get to safety or get to safety or...
Can you get to safety or?
I'm in my car. He went back inside.
Complainant is in her car, but he's blocked her car from being able to get out. He's going to be clear all the way around, but he does have an active LTC.
What's an LTC?
Or what is he wearing? If you get a description.
What's he wearing?
A gray M&M t-shirt and blue jeans.
He's going to have on a gray M&M t-shirt and blue jeans.
Yeah, he put the gun up.
It's a white male.
Yes. You're yelling at me and you're hitting my car.
36 time traffic. 36 time traffic.
10-4. He's put the gun up, you said?
Yes, he did.
All responding units complainants advising he's put the gun in the house at this time.
I don't know if he has one in behind his back in his back shirt or not, but I don't think he does. He's just drunk.
Will you back that up and see who all's in route, Abby?
He told me I have enough for him to get out, and I don't have enough for him to get out because his truck's pushed up against mine.
I've already done that, Abby. After that, just the last couple. Okay, I didn't even hear him come on.
I've got 2 guns inside that are mine, too. I'd like to be able to have them before he comes out trying to grab my shit. I mean...
I understand. Well, my deputies will be there in just a moment, okay?
He's just really starting to scare me now.
Is he still in the house right now?
Yeah, he's still in the house. I just wanted to stop.
I understand. It's going to be a brick house with a black Chrysler 300.
There's a white Ford Mustang in here, too.
A white Ford Mustang and a dark blue F-150.
A white Ford Mustang and a dark blue F-150. Over that last house on the right before Scotty Beard.
It's right before Scotty Beard. The sign of Scotty Beard is in front of our driveway.
Okay.
He's coming back outside.
Does he have anything in his hand?
No.
All responding units, subject coming back outside. He doesn't have anything in his hands at this time.
What? You're drunk. You're drunk. I've been out getting a baby gun or something. I don't know.
Let me see your hand.
Here.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
He doesn't have a gun. He doesn't have a gun on him. He will fight y'all. Please don't hurt him. Don't hurt him.
Are they there?
Don't hurt him.
Don't do it.
Please don't hurt him.
Now. Get on the ground. Hey,
Don't hurt him.
cover.
Don't hurt him.
Go.
He's okay.
Wave your face to school. Hands.
Don't hit him. No!
What do you need, buddy?
What?
539, he's good. Thanks.
Kill him, bitch.
He's good.
That's perfect.
No!
545. You can be guessing here.
He's burned!
Yeah, that's good. This is what I was doing.
Secure that gun.
Here we go.
No, they just stay on their phone.
I can't breathe.
Get off of. Ease up.
This is buzzard.